And you can sprinkle some cinnamon on here. It still has more, but because of time, let me show you guys straight up. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. Now, at this point, if you want to add some honey, you can, but because I put the dates in here, I'm not going to add any honey. But we're going to sip. This is so good. It's so good. So, so good. Once you start sipping, you will not be able to stop sipping this. This is so good. Creamy, rich from the almond. It's really, really good. Okay, so comforting. What they say? A hug in a cup. It's good.